Award, Contributor Award, Batang Maasahan Award, and Honest Kid Award. Palakpakan. Mga bata, pag nakakatanggap ng award, palakpakan natin. Ganon din po yung mga magulang. Joshua Nisi L. Costales, nagkamit ng Eager Beaver Award, BCP Award, Shine Award.
I want some for trouble while others don't.
Liam S. Yao, nagkamit ng Artistic Hands Award, Batang Magalang Award, and Batang Maasahan Award. Sean Rager R. Gutierrez, nagkamit ng Big Player Award, Extra Miler Award, Batang Masigasig Award, at Determined Kid Award. Lucas Ives M. Luciano, nagkamit ng Eager Beaver Award, Brave Soul Award, at Batang Maasahan Award. John Aiden D. Manuel, nagkamit ng Kinder Body Award, Batang Maagalang Award, at Meet Kid Award. Kurt Salty R. Martinez, nagkamit ng Kinder Body Award, Cheerful Soul Award, and Meet Kid Award.
I've never felt so certain all my life.
Clyde Eros B. Montañez, Batang nagkamit ng Good Communicator Award, Tiny Award, at Extra Miler Award.
I have always been so different. Normal rules did not apply.
Nicolay Luis C. Vicente, nagkamit ng Task Champ Award, Team Player Award, at Batang Maasahan Award.
No longer trembling. Here I am. I've come so far. You are the answer I've waited for.
Jana Era P. Balanag, Batang nagkamit ng Awesome Artist Award, Star Reader Award, Batang Masigasig Award, Task Champ Award, and Eager Beaver Award.
Open your door. Don't make me wait.
Krisha May L. Balyatan, Batang nagkamit ng Task Champ Award, Batang Maasahan Award, Brave Soul Award, at Batang Masigasig Award.
Step into your power.
Caleb Light Bartolome, Batang nagkamit ng Kinder Body Award, Golden Heart Award, and Good Sport Award. Samantha P. Belan, Batang nagkamit ng Cheerful Soul Award, Batang Magalang Award. Alexa Beatriz B. Celis, Batang nagkamit ng Artistic Hands Award, Task Champ Award, Eager Beaver Award, at Batang Maasahan Award.
Seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. Your dreams
Scarlett Yvonne M. Cosculia, Batang nagkamit ng BCB Award, Brave Soul Award, and Cheerful Soul Award.
wonderful things surround you. One more is you looking for under
Winnie
the sea.
Amara Guinevere C.
Under the
Lord,
sea.
nagkamit ng Kinder Body Award, Big Player Award, and Cheerful Soul
Up on the
Award.
shore they work all day, out in the sun and slave away, while we devoted full time to floating under the sea.
Jana Andrea B. Guzon, Batang nagkamit ng Artistic Hands Award, Task Champ Award, Meet Kid Award, and Kinder Curious Award.
But fishing the boy is lucky, they in for a worse fate. When
Maria Eliana Isabel Bel C. Lauron. Nagkamit ng Eager Body Award, Extra Miler Award, Eager Beaver Award.
Nobody beat us, fry us and eat us in fricassee. We want the lamb.
Samantha Nicole G. Lucagan, nagkamit ng Star Reader Award, Extra Miler Award, Artistic Hands Award, at Eager Beaver Award.
Like this week, we got the beat here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the ray.
Kirsten Lee P. Maalam, nagkamit ng Eager Body Award, PCB Award, at Cheerful Soul Award. Maria Aliana A. Negrete, nagkamit ng Honest Kid Award, Tatsyam Award, at Golden Heart Award.
Begin to begin, it's music to me. What do they gotta understand? We got a heart.
Zena Brielle B. Ranyosa, nagkamit ng Young Dancer Award, Batang Maasahan Award, Sporting Kid Award, at Tatsyam Award.
Each of us men, we know how to work it. That's why it's harder under the water. Yeah, we're in luck. You're down in the mud, under the sea.
Levine L. Rigor, nagkamit ng Meet Kid Award, Batang Masigasig Award, Tatsyam Award, at Batang Maasahan Award. Kelsey Curia L. Tolentino, nagkamit ng Great Giver Award, PCB Award, at Cheerful Soul Award. And Adam Maverick T. Vallejo, nagkamit ng Enthusiastic Learner Award, Determined Kid Award, and Self-Care Star Award. Bigyan natin ng muli ng masigabong palakpakan mga batang nagsipagtangkos sa pangkat violet.
Malugod ko pong ipinababa